Hi, sweeties. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get more great videos just like this one. Today we are doing burger night. I am back on a keto diet. I'm using that with intermittent fasting, and I'll do a whole nother video explaining exactly what a keto diet is and what intermittent fasting is. But basically a keto diet is high in fat, about 70% fat, 20% protein, and 25% protein, and about 5% carbs. So it makes it a little difficult when you're cooking for a family. I don't like to cook two separate meals, but you can make adjustments. They're not on keto, I'm on keto. So for burger night, they had their traditional burgers. Looks tasty, don't it? Yes. Nice juicy beef patty, bacon, onions, tomato, all that. But I made mine a little bit different. Instead of a bun, I served my burger with a wedge salad. Oh, yes, I did. A wedge salad burger. Burger night, keto style. Watch, see what I did. Let's get into it. To get started with our burger night meal, we've got our big juicy patties on the griddle, and we are using 80-20 ground chuck. 80% meat and 20% fat. When you're on a keto diet, you really want to get your fat intake to about 70% a day. I know it sounds high, but it works. So you don't want to go for your low-fat foods here. We've also got bacon on the griddle, and that's going to also increase the fat intake for the day. So one patty for him, one patty for her. We're doing burgers two ways, one keto and one not. For our blue cheese dressing, we're going to start with sour cream. And sour cream has 2 tablespoons of sour cream, has 1 carb, and the same goes for our half and half. That's going to thin out our dressing to pourable consistency. We'll add more if we need. Half and half has 2 carbs, 1 carb for 2 tablespoons of half and half. Then we add in our crumbled blue cheese and stir it around. Till we get the consistency that we want. That might need a little bit more sour cream. Oh yeah, that's much better. Then we're going to add in some dill. And some fresh ground black pepper. Actually, this is one of those 3 peppercorn blends, which I like a lot more than regular black pepper. And we stir that up, and our simple dressing is ready. I add a little cover just so that the cheese on his burger will get nice and melty. But those burgers are done. Cheese for him. No cheddar cheese for me because I'm going to have blue cheese on mine. And let me tell you, this bit right here, the cheese that's gotten all cooked down and crispy in the beef juices, that is my favorite thing. I love that so much. It's crazy. For his burger, take a look at what we got. That is a traditional burger, but not an average burger. Thick juicy beef patty, bacon, onions, tomato, lettuce. You know, you put your pickles on there if you want, all that good stuff. But if you're low carb like me, then you're going to want to do something like this. We're going to start with the same size patty, but we're going to use a 1/4 head of iceberg lettuce. It's nice and washed and dried. I like to separate the layers a bit so we can make sure to get the dressing on down in there. Then I'm going to use a skewer to hold that bad boy in place. Drizzle on that dressing we made. The blue cheese, the sour cream, dill, a little half and half dripping down. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Drizzle on our dressing. Then we've got that bacon that we made. Let's give it a quick chop. And sprinkle our bacon crumbles on there. Yeah, man. Let's get in there. For garnish, a little bit of tomato. I don't like to do too much tomato because tomato has a lot of natural sugars in them. And right now, that's just not what we want for our keto diet. But I do like to put a little bit on for garnish. The same goes for red onion. It looks so pretty, but it is high sugar. So you want to go easy on the onions. And man, oh man, take a look at that bad boy right there. That makes me really happy. I mean, look at this wedge salad burger. Oh, that makes me a happy girl. Yeah, wedge salad on a burger. I'm going to bet that you'll see something like this on menus soon. I've never seen it before, but I kind of have a feeling that this one is going to get copied, because wouldn't you like to go to a restaurant and while everybody's ordering burgers, you don't have to be left out? I mean, you're going to need a knife and fork for this one, but my goodness, look at that pretty wedge salad burger. It's a good one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Burger night. Keto for me with the wedge salad. Not keto for him. There's his. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Delicious, but not for me. Burger night for everybody. Make your toppings. Everybody can build their own burger. This is what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I do more delicious keto-friendly recipes just like this one.